try to remember. 1/4 is 25 cents.
We're counting.
But another quarter is 50 cents. And another quarter is how much? Listen.
Very good.
25,
It doesn't matter if
50,
you get it out over
and
here.
another
Because
quarter
all you
makes
have
how
to do
much? Three
is like
quarters.
do this.
75
Yeah.
cents. If you have 4 quarters, how much is 4 quarters?
Everybody like
$1. 1/4 is how much? Another quarter is another quarter.
I'll let you guys see
How much?
You're right back.
Oh, don't want to nothing. Listen, it's like this. 25, 50. Look at me.
Sure. Get this.
1/4 is how much? 2 quarter. 3 quarters. 4. How much? What's that? No, I didn't. I wouldn't tell you that. Don't lie on me. You are, because I know my money. 1/4 is 25. 2 quarters is 50 cents. 3 quarters is 75 cents. 4 quarters is $1. I wouldn't tell you 1 cent.
And I said $1 the first time.
Okay, let's go through this again. How much is 1/4? 2 quarters. 3 quarters. 4. All right, now you got 3 quarters right here. So how much quarters right there?
3.
How much is it? How much does that mean? We just wrote it. We just went over it. 3 quarters is how much? Write that down. Now, what does it tell you? What else after that?
$1 penny.
So 75 plus 1 cent is how much? Stop.
80.
Add that up. 75 plus 1. You got more food in there?
No, ma'am. Cat.
How much is it? Look and see.
How much money is there?
Seriously,
Well, look
Callie?
here. Let me tell you something.
No.
You just do it to 3 quarters is now 1, 2, 3. And how much was it? How you gonna do it? Go ahead. You done add. What are you trying to say? All you're doing is adding. You got 1 penny right there. Then you got a dime right there and a dime there. Okay, so add plus 1. D.
I had to take the case off because I could go.
Don't.
I'll get it.
Okay, come on. Then you got 20 cents now. You might as well add them 20 cents. Well, Why are you doing
I'm
that?
sorry.
I said 20 cents.
Be right back.
20 cents. Now I write 20 cents.
You're right.